Mika Singh, one of India's biggest pop stars, is finally in Fiji. Known for his blockbuster hits such as Subah Hone Nade, Moja Hi Moja and But Saturday Ki Hai, the star is rearing to set Fiji alight when he gets on stage for his concerts in Suvanandi this week. Shireen Shivan reports.
Excited fans waited eagerly to welcome the superstar at the Nandi International Airport this morning. This is the first visit to Fiji for Singh, an Indian singer, songwriter, composer and performer who made his debut in Bollywood in 1998, and he was more than pleased with the Fijian reception. His one mission: to get everyone into the party mood.
It's very difficult to make people dance, so we are the special people for that, because I sing all kind of songs: Bollywood, Punjabi, hip hop, or pop and Sufi. So I want everyone should be at my concert and they can enjoy it. Definitely we're going to make them dance.
The artist was also serenaded by fans at the airport, performing one of his own hits, Subah Hone Nade. The 39-year-old artist is overwhelmed with the welcome he has received so far and has a special treat for the people of Fiji.
Very soon I should sing in Fiji language or Fiji style. So I will record one song and I will especially dedicate to Fiji people.
Singh is currently one of the top entertainers in Bollywood and appears in comedy shows. His first show will be at the Vodafone Arena in Suva tomorrow, while the second show will be at Nandi's Prince Charles Park on Wednesday. For tonight, the star will be at a charity dinner at the Holiday Inn, raising funds for the cyclone victims.